Hi guys, I'm about to open Omni X 31.5 inches. So as you can see, the system is not coming on, but it's on. I powered it on, but it's on, but the system is not coming on. So I'm about to open the screen and check what is going on. Firstly, let's check the RAM. 16 gig. 16 gig. 16, that's 32 gig. So I will have to power it on again without the RAM to see how it's going to react. Exactly. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this sound. So I'm going to turn it off and putting the RAM back one after the other. Let's see if it's come on. The system is actually working. Wow, you can see I can plug. This is cap lock. Okay. So once you cap lock to show, it means the system is working fine. Just have it, maybe it's having screen issue or something like that. So let me turn it to external monitor. Let me convert it to external monitor. It's not one. I'm going to disconnect the screen. I'm trying to display only the motherboard and the screen. If it works, that means it's a screen problem. If it doesn't, we keep troubleshooting. Because this system itself has an output display and input display. Did you see that? It just works now. The system just works now. So it's very easy. You can see BIOS, CMOS BIOS, yes. As BIOS was set, I just reset the motherboard and it works. So it's fine. It's working fine on the monitor. That's external screen. Now I'm going to pull back the screen and see if it works. If it doesn't work, that means obviously it's a screen issue. So guys, we found the problem. It's not coming on the screen. So we found the problem. We have to change the screen.